Hello and welcome to Records Rebuilds, and today we've got another new salvage car project. This is a 2021 Chevrolet Suburban RST that took quite a hit in the front left here.
Too fast.
And that's somebody's milkshake that was in here when it got wrecked. Hey, Kate.
Hey.
Daddy.
What's up, John? You like this car?
Nah. They can even walk the car from in the back seat.
Strange little bit of extra damage right here. There's always a little bit more than you expect. You kind of wonder if that's Copart lot damage. But gas tank still works. I guess the door to the gas tank still works. This is a little tight right here, so I can't open the driver's side door just yet. If we pull this fender out, I think that should fix that problem pretty easily. And then this, of course, is going to be the bulk of what we have to do, getting this core support replaced here. Of course, it's integral to the structure of the body, so that's going to be a little tough. But, yeah. Overall, I think bought well, and hopefully we'll have it running soon. Okay, so one of the first things we need to do to this car is replace the battery. I've had it charge it all night and it's taken no charge. You can see a lot of sulfur has leaked out over here. This is a bad battery. It's a pretty cool design here. You just flip this terminal open and there's a jump terminal right there. But first we're gonna lift up there. Lift up on both sides. And then we're going to unbolt this one and unbolt this one. And this whole thing will come off. You don't need to mess with taking each of these individual nuts off. That is a mess. Of course, you'll take these bolts off here and then you'll pull the battery out. Okay, this is an interstate battery from Costco. Right now, these are my favorite batteries. The Delco replacement from GM was $240. This was $180. And it comes with a 3-year warranty, which is longer than the Delco battery warranty. So now we've just got to lower this down in here and try not to smash our fingers. Okay, so first rule of all Copart vehicles, you never start them before you check the oil. And as you can see, this is bone dry. That is not a good feeling. So we'll change the oil and fill it back up and then see what happens. So Dad's draining all the oil out right now, and I'm gonna go pick some more up at the store. This car uses 0W20, I guess probably for emissions, or not for emissions, for our fuel economy. 0W20 is what they put in there, so we'll go pick some up. Thanks a lot, Dad. Okay, so we're putting the last little bit of the oil in here, and using the Mobile One 0W20 extended performance, good for 20,000 miles. I don't actually let it go 20,000 miles, but I want to buy the good stuff, you know. And of course, I think this is everybody's, if it's not your greatest fear, then you shouldn't be buying vehicles from Copart. But my greatest fear has always been that I will end up with a car that somebody blew the engine on and then they just like slammed it into something to get rid of it so they could get the insurance money for it because they couldn't pay to fix the engine. Because that's happened in the past. It's happened with cars at Copart where somebody gets the car fixed and the engine won't start. So I don't think that's the case with this car. I think it's just, you know, probably somebody wasn't checking the oil that close, or also kind of on an incline here. I don't know if you can see that, but you know, this is an incline part of my driveway. So maybe the dipstick's in a place where the incline of the driveway matters, but we'll fill it all the way back up, and looks like we got about 8 quarts in there now. So let's see where we're at on the dipstick. All right, so let's check that oil, and we've got oil. So just a second here. Yeah, so it looks like that thing was definitely running low. Hopefully no damage to the engine. I'm sure it wasn't, but glad we checked before we started the thing. Okay, so let's go fire this thing up. I can't get in the driver's side, so we'll be getting in the passenger side and crawling over, because the driver's side, his fender is pushed back just a little bit, so he can't open the door. Okay, so here we go, moment of truth. Let's see if she fires up. Like a champ, woohoo! So, I think, I mean, as long as there's nothing mechanically wrong with the car, I think this is going to be a great project. So, I'm really, really excited, and hope you guys will come along for the ride. Thanks for watching.